Good morning, everybody. It's March 27th, 2012. I'm meteorologist Beau Dodson, and taking a look outside at the tower cams this morning, you see plenty of sunshine on the camera. A nice morning, some high clouds. Temperatures are already pushing into the 60s. It's going to be a nice day today. Take a look at I-24 in Paducah, and you see traffic flowing. You see a little bit of high clouds there, but a lot of sunshine as well. Remember that if you want to see any of the graphics, you can go to weatherobservatory.com, click on the weather blog there. You can click on the videos over here, the radar 7-day forecast. Also, I update the Beau Dodson Weather Facebook page every morning and afternoon. And if you have any questions, you can ask there as well. And of course, the blog. The blog has all of your answers on it, from severe weather information. Am I expecting any severe weather? What are the chances for a watch? All sorts of good information there, so just go visit that. Here's the temperatures this morning. You see cold to our east. Remember that backdoor cold front I told you about yesterday? Well, there you go. Frost and some freezes over the northeast and down into the Ohio Valley this morning. And you see out to our west, ahead of that next storm system, temperatures are already into the 60s. Remember, the storm that a low pressure rotates counterclockwise, so it pulls Gulf moisture and warm air northward. And there we can see that right ahead of the cold front. Temperatures into the 60s this morning. Let's take a look at radar, and you see along the cold front some showers and thunderstorms. Those will not make it into our area today. Perhaps late tonight and early tomorrow morning on Wednesday morning, we'll see that showers and thunderstorm line closer to, say, Bloomington, Effingham, St. Louis, Rolla, starting to push into our area as a cold front moves in. We look at the advisories this morning. No concerns in our local area, so that's good news. Let's take a look at the weather map this morning, and we see the cold front that moved through our area is now returning as a warm front. That's going to push warm, moist air back into our region. Here's the area of low pressure over the Dakotas, again rotating counterclockwise, pulling the warm air northward. We move ahead, we see a cold front approaching from the northwest tonight, and that green area there, that's the area of showers and thunderstorms that's expected to continue as we push into the early a.m. hours of Wednesday morning. Here we are around 6, 7 a.m. in the morning, and you see some showers and thunderstorms from southwest Missouri into Indiana. A couple of those could be on the strong side, and then the cold front slowly sags into our area on Wednesday, bringing with it a chance of showers and thunderstorms into our local counties. Now you're wondering, I'm sure, what about severe weather? Well, let's take a look. Today's outlook, Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk of severe thunderstorms across parts of Indiana, Illinois, and Missouri. To our north and northwest, no concern for severe storms in our local counties today. Tomorrow morning, early between 2 a.m. and 7 a.m., some of those storms may start to push southward. We'll keep an eye on them for our northern counties. This green area here, that just means where there's a chance of general thunderstorms, but this is for late tonight and tomorrow morning. Now, we take a look at tomorrow's outlook. Storm Prediction Center has outlined a slight risk across parts of West Virginia, down into Kentucky and Tennessee, and then to our west in Kansas. This may shift around a little bit. They will update later today. We'll see what they do with it. Right now, they've got us in a green area, which is just general thunderstorms. But again, we'll see. They could expand this a little west and north. We are going to have some unstable air around us, but the wind fields tomorrow are going to be on the weak side. So we're not 100% sure we're going to be dealing with any severe storms tomorrow. We will have showers and thunderstorms in the area. Whether they are severe or not is the question. Either way, it does not look like a big severe weather outbreak. If anything, it would be a couple of reports of hail, maybe some high winds, gusty winds, with the most intense thunderstorms. Precipitation over the next 48 hours, this takes us into Thursday, and you see 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. Now, remember, if a thunderstorm, a slow-moving thunderstorm moves through, you could quickly pick up 1/4 to 1/2 an inch. But this is broad-brushed general precipitation outlook. And we pull up the NAM. Let me back this up here, and we go through today. You see this afternoon and tonight showers and thunderstorms to our northwest, and that sort of slides into our area as we move towards tomorrow morning. But again, these are expected to be scattered. I think the NAM may be underdone here. I think you could probably extend this back into Missouri with a band of showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday afternoon or Wednesday evening. And again, a couple of those thunderstorms could be on the strong side. We'll keep an eye on it and see. And I'll update the Facebook page, of course, in the blog this afternoon. Take a look at satellite view this morning. You see that band of showers and thunderstorms to our northwest. This is over Kansas, Missouri, Iowa up here. These numbers you see, those are temperatures. Paducah 57 degrees. This is at 9 a.m. And you see warm air ahead of the cold front. And then you see the 50s behind the cold front. This here is showers and thunderstorms along that line, along that cold front. Let me take off the, let's see if I can take off the satellite. And there you see radar, thin band of showers and thunderstorms showing up to our northwest. And that's going to stay out there today. So you've got no problems in the weather in the local area today. A great day to be outside or to do any of the outdoor activities. Come tomorrow, there may be some lightning in the area, so if you've got outdoor sports practices, kids outside or anything like that, just keep an eye on radar. Could be some lightning around. Can't 100% rule out a stray thunderstorm tomorrow as well. I'll keep an eye on it, and again, I'll update the Facebook page. If you have any questions, just ask me there. Have a nice day.